The teacher's lounge? It's my dream. Somebody make us some coffee. Good morning. I look and sound awful. I feel terrible, but today is my high school 10-year reunion and I'm one of the coordinators. Definitely have not done all the work. I have to give a shout out to my childhood BFF Sam, who has really been putting this reunion together. I'm gonna try and take you along, but I wanna show you the game that I spent all last night working on, putting together. So it's called What Happened in 2008, and it kind of looks like this. So you start over here, and it was, what was the average price of gas? What was the average home price? What song dominated the Billboard Hot 100 all year long? The world's population? What was the most searched for term? Celebrity couples? NFL halftime show, Super Bowl halftime show, the #1 movie, the most popular gift, the most watched television show, how much was a median Tim Hortons coffee? That one was interesting to me. The #1 selling car in Canada, and where was the Summer Olympics held? So I was working on that, and the aftermath is worse than Amy Lee slept over last night, and this is all I did. Recycle all this today. Anyways, Walter woke up, ouch, oh my neck. Walter woke up at like 4 in the morning and he had to go to the bathroom, and it wasn't pretty, let me tell you. He was not feeling well. Ooh, my neck. I'm in so much pain. I have a really bad like kink in my neck and I can't turn, and I have to be at the school. I have to leave here in an hour because I need to go help set it up. So, and my neck is so stiff. I took some Advil for the pain and I just drew a bath, and of course I've got this zit and my face is so puffy from the stupid Halo ice cream. Oh, and I'm getting a zit. And Tostitos. We shouldn't have done that, but and we were watching movies, so it sounded fun. Regrets. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a bath and just at least be relatively presentable to go set the school up. Blah. Okay, so I'm just leaving my house. I'm gonna go grab a coffee and then head to the school. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. I literally have not seen all of these people for 8 to 10 years. Now, they all kind of stayed friends. Actually, they all did stay friends, not kind of. They all stayed friends. And I went to a Dutch school as well, so there was like a lot of community within the Dutch community. My family was not Dutch, so even when I was in elementary school, we were a part of the same kind of school. And we went to a different church than everybody. We did different things. So it was a little bit harder to stay in touch. And when I was younger, I was really bad. I was just really bad at staying in touch with people. I would say a lot better now. So I'm nervous to see everybody. I mean, it'll be the first time in 8 to 10 years. And of course it was high school. So much has changed. I don't know who's gonna be there today to set up. I wish I looked a bit better, but I'm saving that for tonight, the big reveal. I want to shock them with how bad I can look and how great I can look. I'm just joking. I honestly just ran out of time. I took a bath to help my neck, which does feel better. I was just in a lot of pain, like it was kind of nauseating. And then by the time I got out of the bath, got dressed, washed my face, it was pretty much time to go, and I was like, oh no, and Walter had to go out again. So I gotta get a coffee and let's do this. Okay, so really quickly, nobody is here, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of my high school. I guess they don't have grad pictures here anymore, but my locker was down this way. We used to always have computers in the hallway. It's never changed, and my locker was one of those over there. This looks really small, but it actually opens up really big. This is just the foyer, which is a lot different than when I was here. So, and then this is like the commons, but it's all dark. Anyways, I gotta start setting things up. We're getting all set up behind the scenes. The game, we have Jenga. It's where we used to eat lunch. I'm at the grocery store now getting the last bit of things, and I almost, like for real, peed my pants. I had to go to the bathroom so badly. Anyways, now I'm at the grocery store. I gotta pick up Doritos and cups and then go home and get ready. Okay, so I have picked up everything that I needed to get. I'm just gonna grab something to eat for lunch, head home, and yeah, I'll probably like sit down for a minute. I'm really tired. Did not sleep well last night. I actually kept dreaming that the game that I had planned, the What Happened in 2008, that I forgot to bring like a Bristol board, so like I just had all the questions and the pictures but no place to put them up, and I kept dreaming that I kept doing that. Anyways, so definitely not a lot of sleep, and I have to be back there at 6 o'clock, and it takes me about 40 minutes to get to the school. We used to be bussed in, and it was like over an hour on the bus every day with both ways, like there and then an hour and something back. So haven't done that in a while. Also, I have this wonderful acne on this side. I think it returned just for the reunion. Be like, hey, I'm back too, because I haven't had this much acne in quite a while. Anyways, okay, I will show you what I look like or whatever when I get ready. Okay, I am all ready. I don't know if you can really see what I'm wearing, but I have black pants on. Hey, Walter. And these Steve Madden sandal shoes. I have to leave now. These are new jeans. Don't mind that Ethernet cable for teaching. Anyways, okay. Wish me luck. It's gonna be a very long night. Unfortunately, Andrew will not be joining me. He's been in Kansas City all week, and he is arriving home after the party. So I'll meet him at home. I have to stay to clean up. I'm scared. I need to get a coffee. Okay, I'm leaving now. Okay, no one's here yet. I'm just kind of sitting in the parking lot waiting for Sam to get here. I feel kind of nervous. I haven't seen these people. Everyone knows each other. Everyone has seen, or of course I know these people, but everyone has seen each other over the years, and I haven't seen these people in a long time. Also, this outfit is so out of my comfort zone. I never, ever show my hips. And when I was at the store, I was just looking and I tried on this shirt, and I actually only had like leggings for pants the day that I was trying this on, and the change room that I went into, you had to go out to see yourself in the mirror, and so when I walked out, I was like, ugh, like my hips are on display. And the salespeople, now they may or may not have been trying to make a sale, but they were so sweet and so nice, and they're saying like, no, don't hide your hips and blah blah blah. So my hips are, you can't really, they're out to party. Yeah, so I'm like feeling like maybe this outfit choice was not necessarily a wise one, because like I'm already nervous to see people and I'm nervous about my outfit, but whatever. ABC, always be confident. So that's just the plan. Okay, we're all set up. There's only a few people that have arrived yet. My hair does not look as nice as it did earlier, but that's okay. I'll show you. Doesn't this look so good? So good. Say hi, Sam. 2008. And this was our mascot, Tony. Gluten-free.
A couple renovations just because the colors were so pastel at one time. Everybody had an issue up here. That he added this little weird. We had it, but I think that was like, it was maybe one of the years. All the decorations. That's my dad's. Yeah. It's my dad's. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, cool.
This is so cool. This was not here when we were here.
Yeah, the music room is down there.
This is the music area, which I used to spend a lot of time in, but it's different. This is not how it was. We're taking a tour. If you're not following along, I gotta get it for the tube. Yeah, we should all pick up our instruments.
Yeah.
Are you taking a picture? I used to sit right here. Where did you guys sit? Right here. I used to play the flute.
So we have a couple free stories. We'll go upstairs in a few minutes, but those are the all science rooms upstairs, and this is the original wall, right? So I was on the niche, and then this was all glass at one time. So
I think, right? No.
yeah, because it always went down.
Down, yeah.
That's right. This one.
Z-Block and Civics.
Or no, was this
If you keep moving into the middle, you should be able to hit the
yeah,
The sensor? The sensor? Oh wait! Oh no! Oh, room looks. They did. That's new. I was like making mine as I was like about to walk down the thing. I was like sewing it together. Lots of memories. Wow. This room is cool.
Oh, I forgot about these chairs.
Oh, those chairs. Wow.
There used to be lockers on that side.
Oh, you're right. Oh, the staff room? I've never been into the staff room.
Staff room.
Wow. Nice couches. I never went in here.
Really?
Never. Ooh, these are comfortable. Take a seat.
Yeah, Jerry Palmaker just playing it out.
We're in the teacher's lounge. It's my dream. Somebody make us some coffee. I've always wanted to sit on the couch. I'm a teacher, so this shouldn't be a big deal. We're lucky.
take shots, we have to take hearts.
This is cool. Oh, improv wheel. Oscar-worthy moment. Baby, you have to act it out. Question. Wheel up. So the last day of school, the 4 of us had a photo. This was different, yeah. We had a photo. Here, my husband's probably gonna come walking through the door, but we have a picture here. We're gonna take it. We are home now. And I am exhausted. So 10-year reunion was really small. We knew it was gonna be really small. There was like a wedding and a baby shower and like 3 people had kids. So we knew it was gonna be really small, but it was really fun. The people that were there, we had a really great time seeing our school and all the changes that has happened over 10 years. But I am so tired. I'm really happy it's over. I'm also sad. I've had like a very nostalgic week where I don't know, I'm realizing how fast life is. Does anyone feel like that? Does anyone know how to slow down life? Because I would really like to know. Anyways, I am going to wash my face and go to bed so I can go have a really deep and good sleep. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you for another video. Good night.